test of divisibility of numbers. Divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if its ones place is any one of the numbers 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Divisibility by 3. A number is divisible by 3. The sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. The number is divisible by 4 if the last two digits of the given number is divisible by 4. The last two digits of the given numbers are zeros. Then also it is divisible by 4. Divisibility by 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3.
Divisibility by 8. A number is divisible by 8 if the last three digits of the given number is divisible by 8. If the last three digits of the given number are zeros, then also it is divisible by 8.
Divisibility by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9.
Divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 if its ones place is only 0.
Divisible by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of alternative digits of the number is either 0 or divisible by 11.
Now we are going to see some examples for these rules for test of divisibility of numbers. The first example is 68.
The given number is 68. Its ones place is 8, so it is divisible by 2. The given number is 68. It is divisible by 4.
The next example is 99.
The given number is 99. The sum of the digits is divisible by 3. So the number is divisible by 3. The given number is 99. Sum of its digits is 9 plus 9 equal to 18. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. This number is divisible by 9.
This number is divisible by 11.
Next example is 300.
The given number is 300. Its ones place is 0, so it is divisible by 2. The given number is 300. The sum of its digits is 3 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 3. So the number is divisible by 3. The last two digits of the given number are 0, so it is divisible by 4. The given number is 300. The ones place is 0, so the number is divisible by 5. The given number is 300. The number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. The given number is 300. Its ones place is 0, so it is divisible by 10.
The next example is 495.
The given number is 495. The sum of its digit is 4 plus 9 plus 5 equal to 18. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. So the number is divisible by 3.
The given number is 495. The ones place is 5, so the number is divisible by 5.
The given number is 495. Sum of its digits is 4 plus 9 plus 5 equal to 18. 1 plus 8 equal to 9. This number is divisible by 9.
The given number is 495. The difference between the sum of alternative digits of the number is 0. Hence 495 is divisible by 11.